Hi everyone. I hope last week went really well. If not, I want you to know that you or your mom or dad can call me. My number's on my website, and you guys can, if you have questions or if you just want to talk, you can always call me. So we're doing our word work. Today is Monday. We're starting our week 13. And I wanted to remind you that this week there is one or two new things. So when I get to that, I will show you the way we're going to do those, okay? Most of the other stuff is the same. The first new thing is our rhyming. You're not just copying me on our rhyming. I'm going to be saying two words, and you have to tell me if they rhyme, you give me a thumbs up, and if they don't rhyme, you give me a thumbs down. I'm going to give you a minute after I say the words to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, and then I'll tell you whether or not you're right, okay? So I'm going to start with cat, mat. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Cat, mat, rhyme. Very good. Cow, now. Yep, thumbs up. Cow and now rhyme. Neck, fan. Nope. Neck and fan do not rhyme. They do not end in the same sound. Sing, king. Thumbs up. Sing and king rhyme. Love, down. Nope, love and down do not sound the same. Okay, we're going to do our beginning sounds. Remember, I will do it, and then I'll give time for you to copy me, okay? Cat. Mat. Fiddle. Spoon. Like. Very good. Okay, we're going to do our blending words. Remember, let me do it first, and then I'll do the hand signals for you to do it. Rain, bow, rainbow. Keyboard, keyboard. Good night, good night. Pancake, pancake. Starfish, starfish. Very good. Okay, this is the other new one. Instead of doing our ending sounds where we punch it out, we're going to be doing our middle sounds, okay? And in order to do our middle sounds and hear what those sounds are, we're going to use a roller coaster. Okay, for example, if I said cat, I would say cat. And you could hear that middle sound is ah. It started with the k, I went up to the ah, and I ended with the t. So the middle sound is ah. That's what we would say in the beginning. Okay, are you ready? Let's try it. I'm going to do it first, and then I'll do the motion for you to do it right after me, okay? At, ah. Okay, I'll kind of mouth it along with you guys, this first one, okay? Man, ah. Very good. Sag, ah. Very good. At, ah. Last one. Add. Ah. Okay, I hope that went well for you guys. We're going to try that again next week, okay? Now we're going to chop up our words, segment them, present it first, chop it up, and then copy me, okay? Nickname, nickname. Sunset, sunset. Inside, inside. Teapot, teapot. Storybook, storybook. Good job. Okay, we're going to add words today. We have the word door. We're going to add way to make doorway. Your turn. Very good. Can, add not, cannot. Very good. We have mail, add box at the end, mailbox. We have snow, add man at the end, snowman. We have birth, add day at the end, birthday. Okay, now we're going to take one of our words, part of our word away, okay? We have the word bedroom. Without room, what's left? Bed. Very good. Sidewalk. Without walk, what's left? Side. Moonlight. Without light, what's left? Moon. Very good. Sandbox. Without box, what's left? Sand. Handbag. Without bag, what's left? Hand. Very good. And we have a new nursery rhyme this week. So the first line, that's all you have to learn today, is hey diddle diddle. Okay, I hope you guys got that. I'll see you tomorrow.